This is code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Fundamentals course. I'm on course D of it, lesson 4, Debugging with Laurel, part 6. This puzzle is making me loopy. All the commands that you need are already here, okay? Now use your debugging skills to figure out how to solve this puzzle. So we must not need to drag any of that over. Let me hit run, and it should run. Yep. Oh, there's a wall. Keep coding, something's not quite right. Here's how we can figure out what's not right. I can hit step and up. Okay, so I move forward 1, 2, 3. That's good, but then 4. I don't want to keep going forward. So I'm going to start moving code around. Let's reset. I step, but I want to pick up this gem. And we know now that collect does that. So I'm going to put collect here. Now I'm going to hit step again. Well, I want to pick up that gem. So I'm going to put collect. And then I'm going to do move forward again, right here. And I know I want to get that gem. So I'm going to put collect. Once I'm here, I think I'm going to want to turn right. And by right, I definitely mean left. And then I want to move forward. That should get me to this block. And then I think forward again. Once I'm forward again, I should be standing on the gem, I think. I'm going to hit collect. I'm then going to turn right. I guess I could have done that here. Forward once, forward twice, turn right, collect. Let's see where this gets us. Oh, where did I say? Left. Definitely not left. Right. There we are. Collect. Now I want to use these. Forward, collect, forward, collect. All right, let's test it out. Woohoo! All right, so that took a lot of rearranging, but this is what worked for me. Great, let's keep going.